Let's try some word problems. Wyatt had $73.85. He wants to divide this amount evenly between himself and 4 friends. How much should each person get? Okay, again, here's my whole number. When you're working with division problems, they're always going to give you a whole number. So 73.85 is my dividend, which is my whole. Okay, and he wants to divide this between himself and 4 friends. So that's 4 plus 1. That's his 4 friends and himself. So my expression is going to be $73.85 divided by, well, himself and 4 friends. Well, that equals 5 divided by 5. Now I have to make my long division. My dividend goes inside the house, 73.85, and my divisor, the number of groups, is going to be 5. Okay, since my divisor is a whole number, then all I have to do is bring my decimal point up and divide as usual. Go ahead and pause the video, divide it yourself, and then click play once you have an answer. Okay, you should have gotten $14.77. So each person should get $14.77. If you got it right, you can move on. If you got it wrong, then look at my math problem and match it with yours and see where the mistake came. Or where was it that you made a mistake. Okay, second problem. Mrs. Phillip bought 1.5 pounds of ground beef from Kroger. She paid a total of $6.75 for the ground beef. What was the price per pound? Again, they're giving you the total. So this automatically tells you that it's going to be a division problem. So this is going to be your dividend. Your total is always going to be your dividend. So your dividend is $6.75. You know it's a division problem. So the number of groups is going to be 1.5 because that's how much she bought. And we want to know what was the price per pound. It's another indicator that it's going to be a division problem. I can clearly see that my divisor has a decimal, and again, I can't have that. So what I do is I move it to the right until I have a whole number. So if I move this to the right, now I have a 15. So since I moved it to the right once as in my divisor, then I have to do the same thing to my dividend. I move it once and place it between the 7 and the 5. So now I have 67.5. So once I have my new expression, now I can create my long division. My dividend goes inside and my divisor goes outside. And now I divide as usual. Again, go ahead and pause the video and click play once you are ready. Okay, you should have 4.5. So that means that each pound cost Mrs. Phillips $4.50. Again, if you got this problem right, then go ahead and move on. If you got it wrong, look at my math and see where the mistake was. Okay, third problem. Tom had $4.20 to buy gifts for his family. He decided to buy them the same gift. Each gift was 35 cents. How many gifts was he able to get? Okay, they're telling us that he had a total of $4.20. So this is going to be my dividend, our whole. Okay, that's going to go first. So $4.20. and each of them cost 35 cents. And we want to know how many gifts he was able to get. Again, I'm running into a problem because my divisor is a decimal. So I have to move my decimal points to the right until I get a whole number. So I move it once, then I get a 3.5, still a decimal. If I move it twice, I get a 35. So it's going to be 35. And move it twice in my divisor, do the same thing to my dividend. 1, 2. I have 420. Now that I have my new expression, then I could just simply set up my long division. Dividend goes inside 420, divisor goes outside 35. And now I divide as usual. Go ahead and pause the video and solve on your own. Okay guys, so your answer should be 12. So Tom got 12 gifts. And again, we could just double check and we can see that our answer is correct. Okay, make sure you have written down everything from this video